You are now watching.
Ladies and gentlemen, this one's by far one of my favorite me creations. Today we're making Broly. Face, we're gonna go pick down right there. Then we're gonna go down to his skin tone. You can change it, but I picked this one. Then we go to the hairstyle. He's got this crazy hair. I'll pop up a picture real quick. So that's what his hair looks like. So you want to pick that. This is his base form. So he just got the black hair. I do have a Super Saiyan Broly video. But you want to pick those eyebrows, position. Pause the video real quick and get this. And then color right there. Eyes. Want to pick those right there. Position. Pause the video. And then we'll go down to the nose, and then we'll pick that one. Pause the video, get that. Mouth, I'll pick that one. So he's got that same mouth going on. That pause that, get that, and then let's go to facial hair. I use that to make that little like he's kind of like angry, because when he's fighting fucking Vegeta and Goku, he's fucking pissed. So yeah, and then that one, pick that color right there next to the black, because it makes it look a little more realistic. And then the mole, I don't think nope. And then body, he's obviously tall as fuck. There's Broly. That's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make Broly base form. I'll have a separate video for his Super Saiyan Broly when he has the white eyes and he just looks like a freaking monster. I'll have that separate video right here, linked in the video and also in the description, ladies and gentlemen. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Broly, badass Broly, from the movie, and he looks totally badass, ready to fuck shit up. Anyways, thanks for watching, and have a legendary day.